Okay, so it says Michael has to find the sum of 70 plus 25 using the distributive property. So he's got to use the distributive property and the greatest common factor. What will his answer be? So we have to use distributive property in GCF. Both things that you know how to do, okay? So we're going to start off by breaking these numbers up using GCF. So I have to break up 70. Break it up. Oops, nope. Make that there so I can grab this. You won't have to worry about that. 70. And I know that 7 times 10 gives me 70. So I'm going to put that there, break it up. I know 7 is my prime number, so I am going to circle my 7. I know 10 is not prime, so I got to break it down. Sorry for that. But then you're going to break the 10 up because we know that's a composite number. It's not a prime number, so I break up 10, which is going to be 2 times 5. So I have 2 times 5. Now I know that 2 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So 2 and 5 are prime. I have all my apples, so I'm good. So now I got to break up 25. 25 break it up. And I know that 5 times 5 gives me 25. And I know 5's prime, so I circle my 5's. Okay, so then I have 70 and I have 25. So for my 70, I'm going to list it in order from least to greatest. I have 2 times 5 times 7. And then for 25, I have 5 times 5. Now I got to match my socks. I'm going to match my 5's. Looking at everything else, nothing else matches. So I'm going to slide my bar up to block my view. So I only see the numbers in the top row circled. So my GCF equals 5. So now I got to do the distributive property. So I'm factoring out that 5. So I'm going to put my 5 here. And then I have to figure out, okay, well, 5 times what is going to give me 70? So 5 times what gives me 70? I'm in here. If I were to count by 5s, I would get 14. And then 5 times, I know 5 gives me the 25. So now what's in the box? I just put what's up on top inside this box. So it's 14 plus 5. And I know I put parentheses around those, and I bring down my 5. So my distributive property would be 5 parentheses 14 plus 5.